Hello, magical beans! In this video, we're covering an important piece of setting up your listing, the Ships To section. If this section is not filled out, patrons cannot check out. There are two ways to edit listings. One, in the listing, recommended when editing a single listing, or as a dummy/example listing for bulk editing. Two, the bulk export-import page, recommended for bulk editing. In this video, we'll cover both ways. I recommend that vendors editing multiple listings via the bulk export-import page first edit a single listing. This listing will later be used as an example in our export to copy and paste Ships To information from one product to another. Let's begin by editing a single listing. Step 1. Open the listing. Go to the Vendor tab, Published Items, select the Paused Items tab. Note, listings are paused when they are missing critical information, which prevents checkout. Step 2. Scroll down and find the Shipping Info Charges section. The automated text and drop-down menus help you to fill it in. Note, do not select from your computer's autofill drop-down. Instead, select from the system's. Add a new line for each shipping destination. Let's go over a few terms that might be confusing. Free shipping. Check this box when you offer free shipping to all Ships To destinations. Note, if you check this box, it will override any charges included below. For example, say you offer free shipping to the United States, but charge $10 to ship everywhere else. By checking this box, you're then offering free worldwide shipping. Ships To. For a full list of countries, do an export of countries in the bulk export-import page. Groupings of countries such as Europe and everywhere else are available options. Also, for worldwide shipping, use everywhere else. Processing time. How long does it take for the patron to receive the item after placing the order? Think of this as the door-to-door time between vendor and patron. And calculate the total time it takes to create, process, and ship. Cost. What is the shipping charge for a single quantity? Each additional item. What is the additional shipping charge for each additional item? Step 3. Click Save. Double check that it did save. Step 4. Activate the listing. Now we can go back to the Paused Items tab and activate the listing. And you're done. For vendors that have multiple listings to edit, let's take a moment to activate all paused listings. Note, paused listings must first be activated to edit via bulk export-import. Now we're ready to do a bulk export-import. Step 1. Go to the bulk export-import page in the sidebar menu. Export products and services. If you'd like to see a full list of the country options, you can also export countries here. Step 2. Open the exported workbook in Excel. If you don't have Excel, a free alternative is Google Sheets. Create a Gmail account, go into Google Drive, create a new sheet, and import the workbook. In the workbook, the first page we see is the Products tab. Fill in the Products tab for columns I, L, R, and AG. I, shipping country. Where do the items ship from? This is the country from where the items will be shipped. Requires shipping. Column L should be marked as true. Status. Column R should be marked as enabled. Note, deleted listings are also included and are marked in column AJ is deleted as yes. I'm going to sort and hide these products so as not to confuse them with the current listings. Ship free, column AG, should be marked as no or yes. If shipping is free to all Ships To destinations, write yes. If shipping is free to some or no destinations, write no. Step 3. Go to the Product Shipping Rates tab of the workbook and fill in all columns for each product ID. Column A. Product IDs are found in column A of the Products tab here. If we need to set up Ships To information for all listings, we can copy and paste these IDs from the Products tab into the Product Shipping Rates tab. Since we've already set up shipping for one listing, I'm not going to copy and paste that ID. Column B, Country, is for Ships To destinations. All equals worldwide shipping. When you have multiple destinations set up, all equals everywhere else. Another popular grouping is Europe. Again, for a full list of Ships To destinations, export countries from the bulk export-import page. Column C, Company. Our current list of shipping companies include Royal Mail, UPS, FedEx, DHL, RedX, and USPS. If you'd like us to add a company to this list, reach out in the comments or via the Contact Us page, which you can find in the footer here. Column D, duration, or processing time. How long does it take for the patron to receive the item after placing the order? Options include 4 to 10 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, 1 to 2 weeks, 6 to 8 business days, 5 to 7 business days, 4 to 6 business days, 3 to 5 business days, and 1 to 3 business days. Column E, charges. What is the shipping charge for a single quantity? Column F, additional charges. What is the additional shipping charge for each additional piece? Step 4, save and import the modified workbook. Before we save, we want to make sure that all rows are visible and that each tab is sorted by product IDs. Since we've only changed the sorting of the products tab, this is the only tab that we'll have to sort. In the bulk export import page, select the import tab. Select yes, update, and or add data, choose the file to be selected, and import. Your action performed successfully. Step 5. Do one last export to make sure the edit's saved. And you're done. Now that the Ships to info is set up, patrons will be able to order your piece, but can they find it? For ways to increase listing visibility, check out the next step in our series, How to Add Tags and Filters. Thanks so much for being a part of the community. Feel free to reach out with any questions to support@festivalbazaar.co.